everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to have a run through the All Club crate for June. I'm going to show you some of the cards that I've made and we'll talk about the new products as we go through. So as you can see, lovely Aloha, flowers and the girl. So the first one is the lady. So you get all of these, and that's part of the crate kit, so you need to be subscribed to all of the clubs to get her. Also you get the gold, matte gold foil as well. Then for the flowers, these are the large die of the month, so the Aloha, all of the flowers, all of the foliage, all of that is included in the large die. And that's the first card. Then I made a little box card, folds flat to a 5x7. Okay, then we've got the small die of the month, and that's what I've been making. And I put the turtle on a little spinner, again using the florals from the large die. So you get obviously that holographic part I've cut out, and then you get the sentiment and all of the dies. So that's that one. Then you've got the stitching dies, so which make the drum and the guitar. That's all of those. Then the other free gift this month is this little guy, and he's so cute, this little one, this little penguin here. That's that one. And also with the stamp and dies, you get the signposts, all of those sentiments as well. Let me get these out for you so you can see. Till I've been using them. You get all of these as well. So there's loads of sentiments in there. And then you get the coordinating dies for some of the sentiments as well. That's that one. Then you get the stencil of the month. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the stencil, and you can create cards like this. That's obviously one of the sentiments. I just used some glitter paste on there just for a little bit of embellishment. Then you have the Better Press, which obviously you can use your gold foil, which I have on here. You also get this coordinating die, which does cut that out, so you can have it either way you want, really. So that's what I've made with that one. Then you get 2 embossing folders. I don't know if you can really see that one in the background. So that's your 3D. And then your 2D is the pineapples, which is on the background of that card there. That's that one. And then because it's me, I had to do some other bits and pieces. So I've used a couple of dies from the Weekender. So we've got the Tiki Toucan. I've also used the stitching die from May and the large die of the month for May. Obviously this is the large die of the month for June, but I just thought it went quite well together. That's really cute. Then I've made this little album. So the album's from my stash, but I've used lots of different. So obviously there's the turtle from this month. These are all previous club kit dies here. And then you've got that on the inside. And then the last page, you've got the drum, the stitching die, and the Aloha. And then the last one I've made, again, used the toucan, and I also used the Birds of Paradise from the Weekender. And I used the retro suitcase. I mean, if anyone wants a tutorial on this one, I'm quite happy to do it. It's quite a nice, easy card to do, to be fair. That's obviously from the kit for June. So are those. So is these sentiments and these these leaves are as well. So it's a bit of real mix and match of kits and the Weekender box. So that's what I've been making with it. I hope you enjoy it. I look forward to seeing what you make, and speak to you soon. Bye.